What is up, you guys? We're back with another video, and today we are unboxing another pair of Jordans. And this is supposedly my Jordan Manila haul, but my friend already took his pair, so I'm left with what I got. But this is a really special pair, and let's get unboxing. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and if you guys enjoyed the video, go hit that like button. It will mean a lot and it would help the YouTube algorithm. What we have here is another Jordan 1 and one of the most recent releases and one of my biggest wins this month, the Jordan 1 University Blue. Whew! Okay, it's still pretty cool to look at. Still can't, that smell of fresh leather. The Jordan 1 smell. Man, bro. That is nice. Really nice. So we have the Jordan 1 in the University Blue colorway. And man, this is such a cool looking shoe. It reminds me of the Obsidians, but it is still quite different because it's all UNC color. From the name itself, you guys should already know what color this is. This is a blue colored Jordan 1, and if we look closer, this is not leather. All these blue panels are not leather, or I think they're not leather. It feels like a tightly knit suede. This blue is just really appealing. You can see it all over on this toe box guard. This overlay here is all in that blue nubuck or suede, not too sure. The heel cup here is really smooth. The combination of blue, white, and black is really amazing, and it is a really clean sneaker. The overall silhouette is like really nice. It is a Jordan 1. Everyone loves the Jordan 1. It is such a classic shoe. You get a black sock liner, which I totally love because you don't really notice sock lint whenever there's sock lint. Well, for sneakers with other colors of sock liners, the sock lint is just really annoying. Of course, you get that Air Jordan Wings logo on the lateral side of the high cut. So for the rest of the panels, all the white panels on the toe box, this lateral panel here, and also on the medial side are all made of leather. For the midsole, we get a typical white rubber midsole. And of course, for the outsole, it's such a beauty. This blue outsole just puts everything all together. It comes with black laces, and as you guys can already see, blue extra laces, just like the University Blue, just like whatever the rest of the color of the sneaker is. And if you guys swap this with white laces, I think it would also look clean, and I think it would also look really nice. Now I got this from Jordan Manila, and I got this through a raffle, and I'm really grateful to pick up these and, you know, share them with you guys. So due to raffle rules, I'm not gonna be able to pick these up without wearing a Jordan pair, and the only Jordans I had before was my CP3s. And yeah, those were with my friends because he also picked these up, and I didn't really want to wear those because they were already kind of beat. So I decided to get and un-DS my Jordan 1 neutral grays. And so far, I've been loving the fit. I didn't know it was so easy to style a Jordan 1, especially a neutral colored Jordan 1. And yeah, I wish I could keep these, but since I'm still trying to hustle, trying to, you know, flip these sneakers, so I'm gonna have to flip these. The first time I wore the Jordan 1s, I didn't really enjoy it too much. Probably because they were all stiff and it was still pretty much dead stock, so everything was really hard. But after 2 times, or I think I've used it twice or thrice already, probably thrice, and since then it's been a lot more comfortable. But I would suggest wearing thicker socks. I was wearing very thin socks, and I didn't really enjoy it. And I hope you guys were able to also pick these up. And if you're from the Philippines, go contact me if you want to buy these. These are a size 10. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Go hit that like button, turn it blue, and know you guys enjoyed these sneakers. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe. God bless. Anyways, if you guys can see how sweaty I am,